Hello guys, Ashraf over here. Today's video I am going to check whether or not my Sony Walkman cassette player over here still works or not. This is the first one that I have, and then this is the second one that I own. Yeah, so this one is rather special because this one it has loudspeaker. This is the actual loudspeaker, and this one can record audio via mic port over here. What's so special about this particular one is that the mic is actually a stereo mic, and although the bad thing is that, as you can see from the battery compartment, I actually opened the case, whole of the case over here, because there were chemical leaks on the battery and it affects the battery connector inside there. And yeah, pretty much I had some troubles, and as you can see that inside there some brown stuff over there, bronze things over there, like oxidation, rust from the battery chemical leaks, and there were a lot of them inside there, and they pretty much kind of acting like a glue to the case, and I had to pretty much pry this thing open. And right now I do not have any means of powering this thing up, so I ordered this particular thing, 2.5 millimeter outer diameter, this one 2.5 millimeter, and inside there is 0.7 millimeter of diameter inside there, but it fits though. Where was it? There, it fits. But this one is paired with USB. Most of the USB outputs 5 volts, and I'm going to use this adjustable portable USB power converter here, voltage converter, to check whether or not this thing still works, and as well as this one. This one much more compact, almost like 25% more compact compared to this one. This one I haven't opened this thing yet, but I tried to put a good battery inside there, but the unit didn't want to turn on for this particular one. So that's why I bought this barrel jack adapter here, just to check whether or not both of this is going to work. Anyway, enough talk. First, I need to see whether or not which is which, the polarity, because inside here, I'm sorry, the middle one needs to be on the positive side. Over there needs to be on the positive side. The wire jumper, I'm not sure if able to fit in there. I do hope so. Yes, nice. Here's my multimeter to the right side here, and the probe. I'm gonna use the alligator clip, one over here, and then another one over here. There. So what's left for me to do is to switch this to DC mode, and then turn on this power supply here. Alright, so okay, of course red is positive, black is negative. So right now it is showing me at 3.024 volt. Over there is 2.99 volt, and right now it is kind of correct. The polarity is correct actually. The middle one is positive and the outer one is negative, so I don't have to like change or anything or reverse anything else over here, and that's good to hear. Basically I don't have to cut this wire and rewire everything by myself. Okay, moment of truth of powering one of my Walkman. I think I'm gonna start with this one here, already set with 3 volt over there. So yeah, let's power this thing up. Moment of truth. Let's see. The power right now is, the speaker is off. Let me turn on the speaker, which is this loudspeaker. And then FM mode currently on tape. Right now, I open this, but the belt inside here already broken up. It degraded and disintegrates itself, so the tape wouldn't work, and I do not have any cassette either to play through this. So let's try AM mode. Oh my goodness, it still works. See, red lights. And power consumption 0.09 watt, 9 milliwatts. Let me turn up the volume. No, this is not the volume, this is the volume. Any reception? Okay, so basically this thing still works. Let me go into the FM mode, and I'm not going to have anything played over this video that the FM mode still works on this thing. Okay, basically not picking up any station. I don't know why. Maybe the headphone is actually act as an antenna for this one. Let me try this one. Looks like I'm getting some kind of display over there, inside there. Menu. Yes, it still works. Although it's not really that visible, but as you can see right now it is on AVLS FM mode. MB, oh, MB is megabase, and mode, I don't know what's that. Let me press set. Oh, okay, the playback mode. AVLS and FM mode. What's that saying over there? Oh, okay, mono. Only that. And megabase. Yeah, just that. So currently it is playing. Okay, see, it is playing. So basically this thing still works, but inside I don't think it's going to spin because of the let me see. Yeah, the spindle over here is not going to spin because the rubber band inside there already disintegrated. Okay, let me see. Let's try FM mode. Band. Oh, okay. Battery level over there. And the frequency. This particular model has a remote control. I tried to source the remote control cheaply via AliExpress, but I'm not able to find it because, you know, AliExpress. Maybe I could find from eBay, but then eBay only sells a full set of this particular one. uh, yeah, so I have to buy like a full set of this thing if I want to have the remote back. Anyway, this is just a short video of mine just to check whether or not both of my Sony Walkman over here, this is an actual Sony Walkman. I owned this back in around year 2000 and 2004. This one much earlier compared to this one. This one is like 1 or 2 years after this one, the one on the left side. So yeah, I actually been playing a lot of tapes, not really a lot of tapes, one particular tapes that I always listen to, and I personally enjoyed this one because it has the remote control. I am going to perhaps 3D print the bells for both of these, but I do not have any cassette tapes for me to play through here. And for this particular one, it has some other options at the back over here, like the equalizer, mono or stereo for the FM mode, AVLS, normal or limit, and I do not know about the ISS over here, maybe like the FM band, maybe, I don't know. Since we already have like 3D printers, I am perhaps going to 3D print myself belt clip over here. Yeah, this used to be belt clip here, but not this one. This one that likes belt clip. This one meant to be put onto your pocket. This one, however, like for most or some other reporter or bloggers or someone like who wanted to have something that is special. But the mic is, perhaps maybe I can try to make my own mic by using the electrode mic, the one that mainly used on the Arduino sensors. I don't know. I have to test that because this mic is mainly for directly to go into the tape here, but like I said, I do not have any cassette types. So yeah, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video here. Nothing much, and do give me your thoughts about the Sony Walkman here. I do plan on kind of reviving this. Need to replace the battery contact terminal points here. Here's some extra. I actually found this remote for the other Sony Walkman cassette player. Right now the button are not really responding. It used to be a tactile button, 3 of these over here. I am going to open this thing over here. The button's still okay, the tactile button here. And I don't think I am able to perhaps replicate this thing. Maybe I could. $3.5mm jack pass through here, and for this wire, maybe one wire each goes to the button here, and another is for the whole button. Okay, this is the whole switch. I think there are no physical button over here for the whole switch. I don't think it is going to be shorted anywhere here, but then let me try to put things together a little bit. At least I know how it looks like the clips here. Yeah, the clips here. Okay, this goes here like so, 3 of this button, and then the whole button, this one, I think like this. So if I were to use this whole button here, push it here, then everything will be blocked over here. Yeah, pretty much the whole button is just a physical mechanism to hold the button from really pressing against the tactile dome over here, the metal dome. So each one of these, two of the wires should go into the 3.5mm jack over here, unless this thing is actually a mono, but I doubt this thing is mono. However, there are some other extra wire, especially like this contact point here. There are 4 of them, and here I am seeing 1 2 3 4 5 wire. So reserving 2 of the wire are for left and right channel. 3 I think most likely gonna be for this button here. So why are there 4 over here? I think most likely one of them over here is ground connection, one of these. Alright, let me try to assemble this thing back again. Alright, now I got the tactile feedback from this button here. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching.